So what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to light stump chunks using wood, charcoal, different types of fires. We're going to show you how stump chunks work. First, what we're going to do here is I'm just going to light a pile to show you, number one, how we light the product, where we light it, and how quick it lights. So basically, here's a small handful of stump chunks. And as you can see, the product has a lot of little hairs. That's what we like to call them, a lot of little pieces. Those are what's going to allow the product to light quickly, so you want to light those little hairs first. So all I'm going to do, now you can use a standard lighter if you'd like this. I particularly would rather use wooden matches, nice long wooden matches. I'll light my match, and I'm just going to light the stump chunks here in a couple areas. You can see I'm lighting the little hairs, and it lights right up. I hate to waste the matches, so I just put them back in. We'll let that go, and you can see how that burns and how long it's going to burn. Over here to my right, we're actually going to start a fire. Whether it's a fire pit, whether it's a fireplace, whether it's a wood stove. I always want to lay down a couple pieces of wood first. Then I'm going to take some stump chunks, usually about a softball-sized handful. People ask me all the time how much to use. I'm always in a big rush, so I use a little bit more. But you can use less, especially if you chop up your wood a little smaller. But it really depends on how much moisture is in your wood. The wetter the wood, the more you need. I'm going to kind of angle this like this so that you guys can see the fire lighting. Again, I'm going to take my match. A match somewhere. I'm going to light the match. I'm going to light the little hairs again. Now I could light it just in one area and stop, and it'll spread. Again, I like to light it in a couple areas. In a fireplace or wood stove, you'd only be lighting it in the front like this anyways. In a fire pit, you could light the back. That's all there is to it, to getting the stump chunks to light. As you can see, we've got our stump chunks only there. That didn't take long for it to get cranking. And here, we'll let this go and see how it comes out. Other uses for stump chunks are charcoal. Two basic ways to light charcoal. One would be to use a chimney starter like so, and I'll show you how we do that. Another way is to lay out your charcoal. If I'm going to smoke, for example, I don't want to light all my charcoal at the same time if I want to slow cook. So I might throw a little pile of stump chunks in the middle and let it light my charcoal from the inside out. If I've got an offset smoker, I'll put my charcoal at one end and let it burn through the other end. So I get a nice slow burn. In this instance, maybe I want to cook some steaks or some hamburgers. I want all the charcoal lit. So I'm going to lay out the charcoal. For this purpose, I stuck it on top of the grill so you could see it. However, obviously, we'd be putting it underneath. And I'm just going to sprinkle stump chunks on the charcoal in different areas. Again, I'm going to take my match. Now here, it's recommended that you do light it in a couple different areas, so it just spreads everywhere. It's spread on its own. However, I like giving it some help. Here we go. From there, it'll spread to all the charcoal, and it'll light right up. What I would normally do with a chimney is I get a little piece of tin foil like this so my stump chunks don't go through the grill. I want to make sure I have some airflow. So I'm doing it on top of the grill. I've already loaded my chimney. I'm going to put that aside for a second. I'm going to take a little handful of stump chunks. I'll place it in the middle. Take my match. And again, you could just light it in one area, but I'll light it in a couple areas. I'm just going to take my chimney and throw it on top. Now the object here is you never want to light charcoal from the bottom up. You always want to light charcoal from the top down so that your charcoal on top is nice, white, hot, red, and it's cooking, and your charcoal on the bottom isn't wasted. If you go from bottom up, by the time you get heat to the top, you're out of charcoal.